Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Ford Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, all-wheel drive, power passenger seat, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.